Experience a revolutionary advancement in nucleic acid research and point-of-care testing with our RPA Multiplex Fluorescent Lyophilized kit, Gen-4. This cutting-edge kit allows for simultaneous amplification of 2 to 4 targets in just 10 to 20 minutes, offering unparalleled specificity and sensitivity with a minimum detection limit of 400 copies/ml. Our innovative dUTP-UDG anti-aerosol contamination system eliminates aerosol contamination of 10 copies or more, catering to the needs of both fluorescence and CRISPR technologies. Additionally, our lyophilized format ensures enhanced thermostability, enabling convenient shipment at room temperature. Embrace the future of nucleic acid amplification with our advanced kit.
By providing more than 7,000 high-quality products and services, SBS GeneTech has empowered researchers in over 60 countries, resulting in over 4,500 publications in prestigious journals such as Science, Cell, and Cell Metabolism. From China, for the world, 4 superior biology services since 2000.